Hey guys, today we are going to see how to add and subtract TensorFlow variables, constants or TensorFlow vectors. So here are two vectors, y is equal to tf.constant, z is equal to tf.constant. So how do we add? So there are two ways. The first one is the simple way. The w is equal to y plus z, and let's print w. And this is how they add the first element with first, second with second, third with third. And the second way is w is equal to tf dot add, and which two elements you want to add, y comma z. And let's print w again, and yes, and to subtract we get in the same way, w is equal to y minus z, or w print w, or w is equal to tf dot subtract y comma z. Let's print all of them, and yes, -2 0 2. So this is how you add and subtract TensorFlow vectors. If you have any question, do comment, and do like, comment, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for notifications. Keep coding, stay curious.